Welcome to this module on components and process of prefabrications. Myself, Dr. J. Abdul Bari, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering of K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. In this video, we will discuss the various components used in prefabrications and the production methods which has been applied. The content which are going to look into these videos are what is prefabrications, the components of prefabrications, prefabrications panels, methods of prefabrications, classifications of prefabrications, prefabricated production systems, and the process involved in prefabrications. Let me introduce what is prefabrications. It is the practice of assembling the components of different panels and manufacture under the controlled conditions to ensure high quality and precisions. The components of prefabrications are structural insulated panels, insulated precast concrete panels, insulated concrete forms, timber frame panels, lightweight steel frame panels. So structural insulated panels. These panels consist of two structural facings with insulating materials in between them, such as metal sheets, plywoods, or cements. They provide excellent insulations and are often used in residential and commercial buildings. Insulated precast concrete panels or use concrete layers as a structural facings and combined with insulation materials. They offer rigidity, low bearing capacity, and insulations. Insulated concrete forms serves as a permanent formats for reinforced concrete walls made from the rigid insulating materials. They ensure robustness and moisture resistance. Timber frame panels, which is made up of timber stud walls with added facings and insulations. These panels balance the cost effectiveness and ease of utility installations. Lightweight concrete steel frame panels, which has been constructed with cold form steel studs. These panels are strong, lightweight, and suitable for the static and some lateral loads, though they may require the proper insulations. So the methods which have been involved in prefabrications are plant prefabrications or factory prefabrications, as well as the site prefabrications. So in the factory prefabrications performed in a centralized plant with high mechanizations. It involves steps like preparing molds, placing reinforcements, pouring concrete, compactions, curing, demolding, finishing, and transporting the components to the construction sites. So in site prefabrications, which has been built in the site and the components are manufactured at the site or near the construction sites. Typically performed in open spaces using the local laborers, and it reduces the transportation cost, but it lacks the high mechanizations and continuity available in the factory productions. Some of the classifications of prefabrications are small, medium, and large prefabrications, which vary by size and scope of the components. Partial prefabrications. Some components are prefabricated while the others are made in the on-sites. Open system prefabrications and closed system prefabrications, where the open systems allows flexibility, whereas the closed systems follows the strict design rules. Cast-in prefabrications as well as the off-site prefabrications, where the cast-in site refers to the concrete placed on sites, off-site refers to the components produced away from the sites. So the prefabricated production systems involves the standard systems, line-up system, that is the conveyor belt systems, and aggregate systems. So in the stand systems, the components has been placed in the stands, whereas the conveyor belts moves the panels, and in the aggregate systems, whereas the aggregates will be forced into the panels and it has been built as a complete panels. So the production systems include three types of processes. This is the entire process of a prefabricated, that is we can able to build the entire structure in a limited day. That is, well, the first day we have been started with the panels, whereas in the 70th day we have been constructed the entire buildings. So the process which has been involved all main process, auxiliary process, and subsidiary process. So in the main process, the assembling molds, placing reinforcements, batching, mixing, pouring concrete, compactions, demolding, curing, and finishing take place. Whereas in the auxiliary process, necessary support activities like product testings will be given to ensure the quality. Whereas in the subsidiary process, it includes the storage of the materials, transporting cement and aggregates, stacking precast elements, and maintaining tools and equipments. And in conclusions, we can able to say that prefabrications is a highly organized and controlled process where components are manufactured in advance and assembled on sites. The systematic approach ensures consistent quality, reduced waste, and faster construction time. Thank you for your patient listening.